Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my classes recently, a Kazakh student of mine was talking about the changing nature of her country's relationship with Russia. This came up because, as you may have seen, Kazakhstan is refusing to recognise any of the attempts to annex occupied Ukrainian territory as being part of Russia. And she was saying how this represents a kind of change in the relationship, because in the old days, Kazakhstan would always bow down to Moscow. But now the country is starting to stand up to Moscow a little bit more. And her theory was that this is because Kazakhstan has been emboldened by its new relationships with China and with Turkey. And this allows Kazakhstan to stand up a bit more to the former colonial master. In many ways, Kazakhstan is far less in thrall to Moscow and to the Kremlin than it used to be. If you're in thrall to someone or to something, that thing has a lot of power over you. It can control you in lots of different ways. So maybe if you feel that government policy is not being shaped by the needs of the population, but by the requirements and the desires of big business, you might complain that the government is in thrall to corporate interests. If you're worried about your children and the degree to which they depend on digital devices, you might express concern that the kids of tomorrow will be even more in thrall to the silicone chip than we were. And obviously, watching Putin and his speeches over recent days, it's clear that he's in thrall to a very distinctive breed of Russian ethno-fascist nationalism. If you've enjoyed this 1 minute English video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section, we'd love to see examples of how you might use in thrall to.